Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all well. So this is the design that I created on my nails this week. I went with some Flexi tips and I left them at the length that they come in. So they're the long coffin style Flexi tips. They're non-buffed, so I did have to buff them myself. I don't know if you can see that there, but I just used my e-file and I just buffed the area that I will be attaching to my natural nail. So just to run through it all with you, I apply base coat, cure that for 30 seconds, apply strengthener to my natural nail and the underside of the Flexi press tip, and laid that down on my nail and cured that for 60 seconds. Then I filed all around the cuticle area and I have buffed the nail of the tip as well, because what I'm doing is I'm going in with some diamond glitter. So I just absolutely love these diamond glitters. This is amazing. It's got stars and like they're pink stars and silver bits, and oh, it's beautiful. So you can do this two ways. You can do it underneath the Flexi press tip nail so that then there's no filing needed afterwards, because what I'm doing here, obviously, after I've applied the diamond glitter, is I am applying, and I've cured it, obviously, I'm applying a coat of Brush Up Builder Gel in the shade Clear to encapsulate that glitter. So you can apply the diamond glitter under the nail, or you can do it this way, which is the way I prefer to do it, just because I like to build the nail up a little bit. I'm a bit rough with my nails, and the Flexi press tips are strong, but I am pretty hard on my own nails, so there's always a risk of them breaking. So yeah, which I don't want, obviously. So yes, just apply that to my nail, the Brush Up Builder Gel, cure that for 60 seconds, then I file and buff that nail. Make sure it's lovely and smooth, and then I go in with my non-wipe UV gel top coat, cure that for 60 seconds, and then I apply my cuticle oil. So what I do is I do each nail different. I've got a Athena here. I love this one. The colours in this are just amazing. So what I wanted to do was just sort of showcase a few of the different diamond glitters that that I got from Miss You Beauty. Not all of them are still on the website, but they do still have some on the website, just some different ones. So go check those out, guys, because oh, they're really beautiful. You can use it on your natural nails. You can do it on over the top of acrylics, over gel, obviously over Flexi press tips. It's just make sure that you cap the edge there with the Brush Up Builder Gel. No, with the diamond glitter, sorry. So yeah, and I just make sure that I go around the cuticle area here with the Brush Up Builder Gel, and I make sure that I have encapsulated that glitter really well, because what I don't want is when I'm filing the nail later on and buffing it ready for the top coat, I don't want to take any of that glitter away because it's so beautiful. So yeah, I'm just going to go in with the top coat here and I cure that for 60 seconds in my LED lamp. So the diamond glitters, I tend to cure them for about 30 seconds. Yeah, sometimes it's either 30 to 50 seconds I tend to cure them for. Yeah, and the Flexi press tips here. So what I do is I just, as you can see, I'm just putting that down onto my nail, and I don't show this part but because it's not that easy to do it on yourself, for me anyway. It's sort of like you need like a little light, a little LED flashlight torch thing, and then I flash cure it, and then I put it under my LED light to properly cure it. So that makes it a lot easier to do it that way. Or if you've got a little LED light, you can sort of tilt it on its side, and then you can hold the nail as you cure it, which makes it a heck of a lot easier. So yeah, so that's how I do it. But I didn't film that part, so I do apologise for that. So I also apply my non-wipe UV gel top coat to the underside of the Flexi press tip as well, just to make sure that it's beautiful and glossy all the way through, because obviously you can still see a little bit through the nail, especially on this one because the diamond glitter is like iridescent. So as you can see, I'm just applying top coat underneath that nail, cure that for 60 seconds. And again, as always, don't forget to cap those edges. And I don't know if I mentioned this, but before you apply the diamond glitter to that nail, you need to buff the Flexi press tip. Otherwise, the diamond glitter will not adhere to that nail. Because as you can see, it's lovely and shiny, which is beautiful. But I want to apply the diamond glitter to it. So, and this is the cuticle drill bit that I've got from Miss You Beauty as well. So all the items in this video that I'm using, I will link in the description box below for you all to check out, provided obviously that it is still on the website. They do have some new products coming out, so don't forget to check that out, guys. They've got some really amazing nail art products out there. And some gel polishes, some new gel polishes, the 4-in-1 gel polishes, which are amazing and I just love them to bits. So yeah, just going in again with my Brush Up Builder gel in the shade Bear. As you can see, just put a decent amount there, and what this does, not only does it encapsulate the glitter that I've applied, it also does strengthen up my nails for me, because like I said, I am very, very hard on my own nails, which is naughty. I should be a bit more careful, but you know, there you go, that's life. So just applying the top coat there, cure that for 60 seconds in my LED lamp and applying it underneath that nail so it's beautiful and shiny all the way through, and just apply the cuticle oil. Love it. So then just onto my little finger, and again, as you can see, base coat, cure for 30 seconds, strengthener to the natural nail and to the underside of the Flexi tip, attach that to my nail, cure it, and then we've got ruby red in the diamond glitter. Obviously I have buffed that tip, and I'm just applying that diamond glitter to that nail in the shade ruby red, and I cure that for 30 seconds in my LED lamp, and then go in with a Brush Up Builder gel. Cure that for 60 seconds, and then I apply my top coat. So again, as per usual, guys, I do have a 10% discount for you all. I will put that code in the description box as well below. It's Beautified 10, so don't forget to check that out, guys. Yeah, and thank you so much for watching my video this week. I really do hope you enjoyed it. If you did, as always, please give me a huge thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. And yeah, I shall see you in my next video. Take care, guys. And as always, stay safe. I love you all. Bye.